Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Topic that we are going to discuss is the layout control that has been introduced in the button in the settings of various blocks, and the blocks that are being impacted by this is the navigation block, the social icons block, and the button block. Okay, so you will find this option on all three of them. So I just went ahead and added the button block on both WordPress 5.9 and 5.8 over here. So let's just start off with WordPress 5.8 and see what are the layout options available. So when you click this option and select the button block, you see all of the options over here, okay, in the toolbar, but there are no options in the block settings. Now this has changed because the layout options has been introduced in the settings as well. So you can see here, I can select the button block and I can change the justification from here. But it gives me an additional option to change the orientation from here. And if I want to, change the justification as well, I get the option under the layout settings. So this is one change that you will see in the button block or in the social icons block or in the navigation block. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.